This time on Albright Quest, we go to Carmel Beach.
Carmel Beach is the beach that the city of Carmel has. The state currently has all state beaches that are closed. Carmel Beach, not to be confused with
Carmel River State Beach.
So that beach is closed. So we were able to still go out to the beaches, even though we have our shelter in place.
Yes. The city of Carmel said the beach is open as long as you practice good social distancing.
Yes.
We've been in the Bay Area for about 13, almost 14 years, but we've never driven down to Carmel, so I'm glad that we did.
Yes.
It was nice to get out and enjoy the beach and get some fresh air.
Yes.
You can hear the socks.
That's okay, buddy. I turned it down on purpose.
It's a bomb.
It's unique. You don't see this everywhere. And then we went into the woods.
Do wolves live here?
Wolves? No.
Do wolves live in America?
Yes. We were concerned when we were on our way here. We were kind of concerned whether or not we were going to find any parking, because we kind of knew that some of the parking areas were blocked off and we couldn't park there. But we were able to find a parking spot right off the bat, right at the very beginning of the beach, to be able to walk. I guess that would be north. So we got to walk north. And at the beginning, there's even a nice little bathroom there that people can use. It's
Bathroom's very clean.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Maybe it just needs a little more light because it was kind of dark.
It's a dark bathroom.
Yeah.
The light's not very bright, but it is clean.
Yep.
My lips are freezing.
Really big.
No, this is not for me anymore.
Oh, good. What did you find out about the sand?
What happened when you walked or ran on the sand?
It makes noise.
It makes noise?
A squeaky noise?
What kind of noise?
Yes, squeaky noise.
Squeaky noise? So guys, what was your favorite part of the beach? Cole, what was your favorite part?
Seashells.
You found seashells? Mm-hmm. And?
I mean, look how much structure there is.
Wow.
Yeah. sea glass.
That's good. Okay. Malia, what did you like best about the beach?
The best part for me was getting to walk around in the water, even though we didn't get to swim in it,
Yeah.
and getting to find shells just by walking along the shore.
Yeah. And did you guys get to climb on something?
Rock.
Yeah,
What were you climbing on?
Rocks.
Was it dangerous?
No.
No.
Was it scary?
No.
No.
So is it dangerous to climb on the rocks, guys?
No.
You don't think so?
Kind of.
Yeah, I think so. It was kind of dangerous.
and slippery in some parts.
That's right.
And when the green algae
One
was
of the
there.
parts, it was like a maze, like when we were almost at the beach.
So you had to find your way down the rocks? Yeah. that
And
was-
then you had to go up again and then go down.
Yeah.
And
You
then-
fell down. You actually fell down one time, huh? You put your butt down on the green stuff and got all slimy, huh?
No.
Yeah.
When we were going back from the area where we found all those treasures. Where we found all those treasures. He was trying to climb up and then he slipped and then fell on his butt.
Ah.
What-
But that's okay. You dried off though, right?
It's also a dog-friendly beach. We saw lots of dogs running around without leashes.
Right. Sometimes people don't like that type of beach, but we're dog lovers, so we like that.
It was a very clean beach. They have volunteers from the city that pick up trash. So it was very clean, seemed to be very family friendly.
Yep.
Great scenery, great little cute, nice looking homes in the area, and some wonderful bonsai looking trees.
What kind of trees are they? If you know what kind of trees they are, you can put a comment down below and tell us what it is, but we weren't really sure what kind of trees they were. animals did you guys see?
We saw mostly we saw some seagulls, we saw crabs.
Yep.
We saw jumping shrimp.
Yeah,
Baby
shrimp.
jumping shrimp.
And baby crabs.
And I got to see something.
What? Sea otter. And the shark because you were...
Well, maybe. We might have
Yeah.
caught a shark when I was doing some of the drone
We think-
footage. I'll make sure I point that out when we go through.
And we think it's a baby great white.
Maybe.
So-
That's right. Because it was a good size. It was good size. But we also saw that sea otter, right? So there's more sea
He
otter.
didn't care about you.
That's right. The sea otter did not care that I was standing there videoing him.
He's like this. Yo, what's up?
Yeah, he just kept eating his whatever he was eating.
He's eating his coconut.
Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think it
He's
was
not
a
eating his
coconut.
head.
No, it was probably some type of crustacean. There he is again. He's going coming this way. Yep, he's eating something. There he is.
We hope to go back to the beach when the weather's a little nicer so we can get the full feel of Carmel Beach in the sun. Unfortunately, the day that we went, it was gloomy and
Yeah,
kind of
thanks
windy
to that
and
app of
chilly.
yours.
The weather app said it was going to be sunny
Nope.
in the afternoon, but it didn't turn out to be sunny.
Nope.
But that's okay because we still had a great time, but we'll definitely be going back when the weather is much nicer.
Yep. I look forward to it. If you have any suggestions the next time we do go to Carmel, please go ahead and leave a comment down below and we will take those into consideration. We look forward to having more adventures out there.
Yes, it's a very nice town, so we look forward to going back and exploring.
Yes.
This is definitely an Albright adventure.
If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.
So you never miss a new video.
The end.
The end.
Bye.